So Gen Zs will work at a place for a few months and suddenly quit just because the boss asked them to work overtime. They will just leave without even a plan B. They don't have a job ready, they don't have a business set up, they just call it quits. On the other hand, a millennial or a boomer will enjoy very tough working conditions, even low pay, and stick with the same job or the same company for decades. And when the millennial sees a Gen Z quitting over something like low pay, they feel that the Gen Z is being stupid, they lack wisdom, perseverance, they're simply spoiled. On the other hand, the Gen Z sees the millennials lacking the courage to just make bold decisions such as quitting and starting their own business. There's a quote by Ernest Hemingway which says, that is the greatest fallacy, the wisdom of old men. They do not grow wise, they grow careful. The quote suggests that what we may perceive as wisdom by the elder generation is really caution born out of past experiences. The older people may be a bit cautious in their approach to life compared to the younger generation, and this is because they have been there and done that. They have made the mistakes in the past, they have learned from those mistakes, and now they fully understand the consequences of risky actions. On the other hand, young people tend to view the cautious and conservative approach by the older generation as a lack of courage and true understanding. So we are constantly judging each other from our own biased and generational perspectives, and this misunderstanding between the different generations will always be there. It was there between the boomers and the millennials, it's there now between the millennials and the Gen Zs, and soon it will be there between the Gen Zs and the Gen Alphas. And that is the beauty of time. Yesterday the millennials were young and they saw the boomers as old. Now if you're a millennial, you're relatively old compared to the Gen Zs. And the general assumption is that with age comes wisdom. You're older, so you're obviously wiser. But Hemingway is telling us that what we often perceive as wisdom in the elderly may actually be a cautious approach to life shaped by past experiences and a desire to avoid risk. He encourages us to be careful when receiving advice from older people, since their life experiences do not necessarily make them wiser, they just grow more careful. That's why a Gen Z is more likely to quit their job than a boomer or a millennial is. A Gen Z is more likely to take the risk and start that business, and they are more likely to try out new ideas. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below, and if you found value in this content, please remember to follow for more.